Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on NZDCAD and USDCAD. These two CAD pair currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall direction in the market. Now from the monthly we can see that NZD has a strong bounce from this significant monthly support. If we look at this overall picture, we can see that NZD has a strong impulse on the monthly and then quite a few months of pullback. The price has come to a very important level of support. If we look at this top of this monthly doji, which is a very important level of resistance here, turn support here, and from that zone we see that NZD has a strong bounce. Now if we take our Fibonacci for this monthly move, starting of this move to the end of the move, we can see that NZD has just been rejected from 61.8% Fibonacci level, which is the golden ratio. So you can expect now NZDCAD has a bounce and probably to create a new higher high from the monthly perspective, as there is an imbalance in that area in this market. If we look at the weekly time frame on NZDCAD, we can see that previous week there is a bullish candle, which we can see that there is a sharp rejection after breaking this weekly channel. NZDCAD has broken down, and then we have seen that there is a rejection. That means that we can expect now NZDCAD to go ahead and test this level, as we see that the price has created an overextended to the downside, and also we see that there was a strong movement correction. We can expect another move on NZDCAD from the weekly perspective as well. Looking at the daily, last day of trading week, we saw that there is a middleman here on NZDCAD, which has a long wick at the top and also at the bottom. And we see that there is a bullish engulfer followed by a middleman. And this is a change of trend. We can see that there is a potential change of trend after this massive drop. The price is forming a potential inverted head and shoulder. And we can expect now NZDCAD to go ahead and at least has this important neckline of this reversal in that area. So from the daily perspective as well, we have a very high probability for NZDCAD to continue to rise in that direction. So looking at further lower time frame, we can see that there is a strong liquidity gap previous session, and we can see there was a reversal here, breakout correction, and also form an inverted head and shoulder here as well. With that inverted head and shoulder, NZDCAD has broken out completely. Now with that liquidity grab, we saw that bulls again buying. I will be waiting for a bit more deeper pullback in that direction, as we see that once this candle opened, the price started to move up. At any point we can expect the price to come down to break this current session's low, and then once the price will be in that overextended area along this zone, according to the rules of our strategies, we will consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now let's look at dollar CAD. As you can see, dollar CAD was strongly bearish for quite a few days. This is a daily chart on dollar CAD, and we see that this is a sharply bearish price action. I'll be looking at first of all monthly to see overall direction. Now this is the monthly. In the first few days of the month, we have seen that there is a very strong drop on dollar CAD, and we see this support has broken completely from this level. We have seen that dollar CAD has broken this support, and with that support break, the price is currently approaching another important liquidity zone where there is a monthly 20 EMA. We have seen that after back-to-back two monthly doji, dollar CAD has broken down to this support level, and I think that this price will continue to drop, as we have seen the price is below this support. Now if we look at the weekly, we can see that there is a weekly bearish engulfer, very long bearish engulfer, followed by a weekly middleman, which has a long wick at the top and also at the bottom. And we see that with this bearish candle on the weekly, the price below this important level of weekly support. Now once today market open, we have seen that initially a pullback, and then again the price is rejecting towards the downside. Now, if we look at the daily on NZ dollar CAD, we can see that from the daily also it is maintaining a typical bearish price action. We saw there was a strong middleman here. This daily middleman is a breakout from this structure below this support level, followed by every day the price is forming bearish candle that has almost equal wick on both sides, which is in fact a typical bearish price action. Now today also, as usual, the market started to drop again. So let's look at further lower time frame to see where we can find entry. Now we see that NZDCAD is creating a series of lower high and lower low on this 4 hour time frame, and the price is dropping down, maintaining a downtrending market structure. We have seen the price already below this resistance line along this dynamic 20 mm. I'll be waiting for a bit more retest. As you can see, this structure now completely broken. The price below this support level here. So this is the support here, which is turning resistance. And from that level, we can expect a dollar CAD to continue to drop. So this is where I'll be waiting for a retest. And once we'll see the prices rejecting from this level on dollar CAD, we'll consider going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.